good bet. There he is. There he is. Like clockwork. Perfect. Field's got a nice sized brook on a tiny little caddis and a beautiful hole here at 6:30 in the evening on the last day on 6:30 on June 30th. We're blessed with big water here. Nice year of lots of rain. He's got some shoulders. He's got some shoulders on him. All right. Let's see what he looks like. Nice fish.
Gorgeous fish.